Now we got together to debate and pass the anti-rape bill to make India safer for women. The bill was passed, but who will protect India from sexist MPs with filth on their minds?
Even during the debate in the Lok Sabha today, and Padmaja and I actually watched the entire duration of that debate, stalwart MPs proved to the country just what sort of mindsets they actually have. Absolutely disgusting. There's a sample.
एक कवि ने लिखा है, पहनावे की बात कर रहा हूँ जयाप्रदा जी, आपका पिक्चर भी मैंने देखा है, आपके भी पिक्चर मैंने देखा है। प्लीज नो कमेंट्स। पहनावा को हम बाद में डिफाइन करेंगे आपसे, हम बाद में डिफाइन करेंगे आपको। आपकी भी पिक्चर हमने देखी है फिल्मों में। हाँ नहीं देखेंगे, हम नहीं देखते, हम समाचार देखते हैं। हम अपने परिवार में ना तो सीरियल देखते हैं, परिवार में फिल्म देखते हैं, हम केवल समाचार देखते हैं। नथिंग विल गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड, यू कंटिन्यू प्लीज। वो देखते हैं, ये सब देखते हैं। यू प्लीज कंटिन्यू। विरोध करेंगे।
मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ा हूँ, आप कहते पीछा नहीं। अरे कौन हम में से जो पीछा नहीं किया? और महिला जो है वो महिला को जब उसको बात करना पड़ती है तो पहले महिला नहीं लिख देती है, उसे कोशिश करना पड़ती है, प्रेम से बताना पड़ती है। ये पूरे देश का किस्सा है, हमने खुद अपना अनुभव किया है। हमने एक जगह शादी तय कर ली थी तो सुषमा जी पूछ रही थी तुम्हारे घर के लोग बंदूक और लाठी लेके आ गए तो घर की बेटियों क्या होगा? तो मैं आपसे कह रहा हूं कि हम सब लोग दौर से गुजरे हैं। तो आप सिनेमा में शीला की जवानी, अरे भाई आपका बुढ़ापा है तब भी जरा थू से देखना उसको ठीक से, आपका मन भी हल जाएगा। अरे भाई नेचुरल है, हम आदमी हैं। अरे वो कोई झंडू बाम, हाँ मुंडी बदनाम हुई। अरे कैसा कर रही है, कैसा कर रही भाई? तो ये सरकार क्या कर रही है? उस तरफ भी जो है जो लोगों को उत्तेजना बनाने वाले ऐड आ रहे हैं, तमाशा आ रहा है दिन भर। जब से ये दिल्ली में हुआ है, अरे हजारों साल से हो रहा।
मैं जानना चाहता हूं सरकार से, जो वातावरण खराब होता है ऐसे मामले में, क्या जुड़ाहों पर और ये कोणार्क में जो सूर्य मंदिर पर नंगा तस्वीर है, इसको कवर करिएगा, इसको बंद करिएगा, इसको रखिएगा। वो जो नंगा तस्वीर बना हुआ है उस पर इसको कवर करिए। धन्यवाद। रंगापन बहुत सारी तस्वीरें हैं, तो इसको रोकिए, इससे कुप्रभाव पड़ता है, इस पर रोक लगाना चाहिए। थैंक यू। और इस बिल का हम पूरा समर्थन। कुमारी
Joining us now on the phone line is Ranjana Kumari. Ma'am, when you hear what our members of parliament said today while debating the anti-rape bill, do you think that irony would have died 1,000 deaths? They are here debating a bill which is supposed to make women feel safer, and they were kind of using themselves harder. Sharada is saying stalking is natural.
Well, these are the people's representatives and these are the elected members who make policy in the country, and that is why the state of affairs has become that no girl is feeling safe, not even a foreign national is safe in this country. And this is what is shameful, it's totally insulting, and I don't think any self-respecting women should bring them back. They should not vote for the next election. If women have any self-respect, they should ensure that such people are not returning to the parliament of the country, because this is how they look at the issues related to women. This is the kind of very, very insensitive behavior that has led to the state of affairs that we are living in today. And one after the other, they were competing to make worse and worse remarks.
But ma'am, there are a lot of things actually make sense now. There have been questions about why this particular law appears so watered down. When you see the way Sharad Yadav and people from the Samajwadi Party, Lalu, the way they talk so easily, that sexism is so easy, it's not difficult to know why this law has been watered down so much.
No, what is very ironical is that the person they say they follow, that is Ram Manohar Lohia, he was the first one in the country who talked about women's liberation in such a open manner. And look at them claiming to be socialists, claiming to be, following such people, and they're talking such, lowly language. This also speaks volumes about their own mindset. What is their own mindset? I mean, I think this is totally very, very open, and today they are standing nude before the country. They are standing, in terms of their ideas, that they are the people who have led situation to this extent that every day, there's not a day when 3 years, 5 years, 7 years is getting raped, acid has been thrown on women's faces,
Right.
All kinds of attack is happening, and debating. And also look at this, the nation has elected women vote. We have elected 547 MPs, not even 200 MPs were in the parliament.
Absolutely, this shows the complete apathy. The ones who did turn up, you will be shocked at the kind of pearls of wisdom they scattered in the Lok Sabha today. Ranjana Kumari, thank you very much for joining us with your perspective. But we want to play for you once again exactly what Sharad Yadav said in Parliament today. It will make you hang your head in shame.
मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ा हूं, आप कहते पीछा नहीं। अरे कौन हम में से जो पीछा नहीं किया? और महिला जो है वो महिला को जब उसको बात करना पड़ती है तो पहले महिला नहीं लिख देती है, उसे कोशिश करना पड़ती है, प्रेम से बताना पड़ती है। ये पूरे देश का किस्सा है, हमने खुद अपना अनुभव किया है। हमने एक जगह शादी तय कर ली थी तो सुषमा जी पूछ रही थी तुम्हारे घर के लोग बंदूक और लाठी लेके आ गए, तो घर की बेटियों क्या होगा? तो मैं आपसे कह रहा हूं कि हम सब लोग दौर से गुजरे हैं। तो आप सिनेमा में शीला की जवानी, अरे भाई आपका बुढ़ापा है तब भी जरा थू से देखना उसको ठीक से, आपका मन भी हल जाएगा। अरे भाई नेचुरल है, हम आदमी हैं। अरे वो कोई झंडू बाम, हाँ मुंडी बदनाम हुई। अरे कैसा कर रही है, कैसा कर रही भाई? तो ये सरकार क्या कर रही है? उस तरफ भी जो है, जो लोगों को उत्तेजना बनाने वाले ऐड आ रहे हैं, तमाशा आ रहा है दिन भर। जब से ये दिल्ली में हुआ है, अरे हजारों साल से हो रहा।
We're also joined for reactions by Kavita Srivastava of the People's Union for Civil Liberties. Also, Dr. Kiran Bedi is with us. Dr. Bedi, things like stalking is natural. We've all done it. Women expect to be stalked. These things as part of a debate on an anti-rape law. How are you seeing this, Dr. Bedi?
With the proving the research correct, this morning I tweeted that
Yes.
1 out of 4 every Indian man, a research recently established, this was published in 2011, of 6 countries which was done, and India, it proved that 1 out of 4 Indian man during his lifetime does commit an act of this kind concerning with a woman. 1 out of every 4 Indian. I've tweeted this research. I've also tweeted the source of that research. Other countries, Brazil, Croatia, Mexico, there were other countries mentioned, including Rwanda. They were only 9%. 1 out of 9. In India, it has been 1 out of 4. They did a study of 6 developing countries. So here is a mindset. So this is what what needs to be done when the mindset is so deep rooted in this kind of attitude towards women. Look at the colossal millions of mindsets will have to be reworked in this country. So if we want to fast forward, then we need to have a massive movement, sustained movement of the community, of education, of the political class, of RWAs, of the parents, to wholesale change the mindset. Otherwise, only laws will not do. Only enforcement will not do. Of course, we need tough laws and tough enforcement. But at the moment, it's been a collapse overall. That is how you have millions of people.
Well, given these mindsets, which seem nothing short of sick, is a colossal task to say the least. Kavita Srivastav, when you hear MPs making such statements and you hear their colleagues in Parliament hooting and jeering, expecting them to pass a strong anti-rape law, do you think it's a battle lost even before it's begun?
I think these parliamentarians of ours, many of them, I won't say all, are completely not serious about this issue, and I think they're being dishonest when they say they're worried for women or would like to see women secure.
Yeah.
I think the kind of speech that Sharad Yadav made, it is in itself, part of the law that we are trying to make, that we will not allow this kind of, it's always abusive to be luring, to be jeering, and look at that male bonding out there. Look at that kind of peer that got together to laugh and cheer. And he didn't stop. I mean, he also somewhere destroyed the honor of the parliament, I think, by going on with Sheila Ki Jawani and, jeering at Jayaprada. I really think that there should be a privilege motion still in the parliament. Some of the women parliamentarians ought to be doing it. And that is why we've been saying 33% more, like it should be more. But at least bring in 33% women. What is it? Who are these people?
But Kavita Srivastav, unfortunately, even the women parliamentarians who were there, barely anyone stood up, barring maybe Jayaprada. That's the horror of it all. They embarrass themselves, the parliament, and the entire country.
Well, I really hope that people will think twice before ever thinking that people like Lalu Yadav and Sharad Yadav are shrewd, clever and witty, humorous politicians. They're not. You